Today is all about the post show. We finally get to relax and let our hair down and kind of celebrate everything that we just worked so hard for. If you're doing a recital or you're closing out a series of shows, the post show is another emotional surprise for some dancers. You're super excited that it's your final performance, but with that comes the sadness knowing that things are changing again. And that for me is one of my favorite things about dance is it's forever growing and forever changing, and the post show is very reflective of that. Now, each show or studio or company kind of has their own traditions of how things happen after a show. Usually, we will have done our bows and the awards and all of that stuff. Sometimes performers will go straight out to the audience, other times they go backstage and prep. In some of the cases of our dinner theater, we've kind of had to change it up each year based on what was going on, and usually our performers needed a hot second to go grab water before they could go out and engage. It's not uncommon for families and friends who are close to the performers to bring flowers. It's not a requirement, but I've seen even just simple handmade ones just as something to say congratulations. And again, it's a celebratory thing at the end of the show where you get to go interact, you get to go relax and just celebrate all the hard work. Post show is also a great time to be taking pictures with your fellow classmates, with your teachers, and save some of those memories so long as your studio permits. Not every studio or company allows photography, just like the video recording we've talked about. And so you always want to make sure if that's acceptable or not. It's also a great time to sometimes do like year-end like yearbooks and things like that because those are commemorative. I've even seen some do like scrapbooks and do like an autograph book of all their friends, something to kind of keep that all together. When we're talking about some of this stuff, it's not about the physical things that we have after the show, like flowers and the mementos and things like that. Those things, however, become our way of remembering that moment in time in that show because, again, everything's changing. So, over the years, I've purposely saved the cards and things like that my dancers have given me or that my fellow dance friends have given each other as a way to be able to look back and be like, that totally happened. And you can reflect on the shows, especially the more and more you get under your belt. It brings back really cool memories for you. Once you're done with all of that, we pack up, we head home, and you get this sense of it's actually over. It flies by so fast that it's like a whirlwind, and all of a sudden you're just done, and you spent all these hours rehearsing and getting ready for this, that you get this weird sensation that all of a sudden you have a little bit of free time, perhaps, or at least a couple of days off, and it's good to take a break following the show, like a day or two. Some will do a week just to make sure that they can get their bodies to just recuperate, maybe sleep a little more. Again, it's an emotional and physical roller coaster ride to get you to this point. We come back and we do this all again. But when, again, you're working on that show, you finally hit that post show, take a breather at the end and enjoy it. These moments are fairly short-lived in the grand realm of things, and so enjoy that post-show moment and celebrate your talents and all of your friends' hard work, your hard work, everything. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about our personal square. I will see you then.